In this video, I am gonna teach you how to earn money from remote jobs to become increasingly popular, offering flexibility and the ability to work from anywhere. Whether you're seeking full-time employment, freelance opportunities, or part-time gigs, remote work covers a wide range of industries. Let's dive into the details. 1. Types of remote jobs. Customer support. Roles: customer service representatives, helpdesk agents, or technical support. Skills required: strong communication skills, problem solving, and familiarity with CRM software like Zendesk or Freshdesk. Typical tasks: answering customer inquiries via email, phone, or chat, resolving complaints and providing solutions, maintaining customer satisfaction metrics. Virtual assistants. Roles: administrative assistants, executive assistants, or personal assistants. Skills required: organizational skills, time management, and proficiency in tools like Google Workspace or Microsoft Office. Typical tasks: managing calendars and scheduling appointments, organizing emails and data entry, assisting with social media management or basic bookkeeping. Data entry. Roles: data entry specialists, transcriptionists, or typists. Skills required: fast and accurate typing, attention to detail, and knowledge of spreadsheet software like Excel. Typical tasks: inputting data into systems or databases, transcribing audio or handwritten documents, organizing and verifying data for accuracy. Other popular remote roles: content writing, editing, and proofreading, graphic design and digital marketing, software development and IT support, teaching and tutoring. 2. Where to find remote jobs. Several platforms specialize in remote job listings. Dedicated remote job boards. Remote.co, curated list of fully remote jobs across industries. We Work Remotely, one of the largest remote job boards for developers, designers, marketers, and more. FlexJobs offers a wide range of remote and flexible job opportunities. Freelancing platforms. Upwork, ideal for freelance remote work. Fiverr, great for gig-based projects. Toptal focuses on high-skilled freelancers. 3. Skills to succeed in remote jobs. Working remotely requires discipline and adaptability. Key skills include time management, ability to prioritize tasks and meet deadlines. Communication, proficiency in email and video conferencing tools, for example, Zoom, Slack. Technical skills, familiarity with job-specific software and tools. 4. Tools for remote work. Communication and collaboration. Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom for team interactions. Asana, Trello, or Monday.com for project management. Productivity. Time tracking tools like Toggle or Clockify. Cloud storage solutions like Google Drive or Dropbox. 5. Benefits of remote jobs. Flexibility. Work from anywhere. Set your schedule. Cost savings. No commuting expenses. Reduce spending on food and clothing. Increased opportunities. Access to global job markets.